पोस्टर लग लगा वेरी गुड
तुझ्या मम्मी
लो जब
Happy birthday, Murun. Biryani ugas kota tuzo.
Umar Gandalar.
What?
Air Force. Thank you.
Behind.
Okay.
It's fine. It's fine. Yeah.
That day I saw, yesterday I saw one guys wearing this. The same dark hair. This I liked. I already planned also with water.
Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new vlog. It's me, Nichelle, and today is Ashwar's 30th birthday. So we thought of coming here again at Takatak to celebrate, as we loved the food previously, and it was our first time for my birthday as well. So we thought of coming here again because to spend some family time and to enjoy the good food. So here are we having a bunch of snacks, and here we just celebrate. We did not do anything in the morning because it was just quiet, so we decided to come here. And yeah, hope you enjoy watching. Cheers. Cheers. Ah! It's fine. I want to show them this. You will see me how angry I get.
Not giving?
मिस्टर वीडियोग्राफी
आम्ही काकावर केस मोड बघू आम्ही
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.